Hello there, I'm Catherine from my hillside garden in northeast Pennsylvania, Zone 6. We're not out in the garden today because actually it's only 30 degrees and I don't know what it is with the wind chill, but it's cold. But I am so glad the sun is out because some of the snow from last week is melting. I wanted to do an update on the worm bin, so let's take a look. Okay, this is week 2. Okay, still no moisture on the inside lid and nobody crawling up the edges. So I'm going to bring you over so you can have a look. And I'm hoping to do better, have better shots this week. Okay, so as we can see, we have the pumpkin seeds or the squash seeds going up again. Let's see if we could get this way, give you a little bit better view. We're going to pull this back. I can feel that the paper bag shreddings are beginning to get a little bit moist. Oh, I can see things moving around there. And actually, these are rooted in pretty good. I'm surprised. So let's take a look here. See what's going on. Oh, there's some guys down here. Let's see if they've eaten everything. And you know what? Oh, wait. See, there's still our squash top. But it looks like all of the food is gone again. Except for the seeds. They've eaten all of the food. So, I guess a pound of food is good enough for now. I don't want to go too crazy. You see them all in there? But the only thing that's recognizable as of yet, I do see some of the eggshell. As I said, that was a little bit larger than I had wanted it to be. But actually is that stalk portion. That's the only thing that's left in here from what we fed them last week. So I have another pound of food in my freezer waiting to become worm food. So let me go take care of that and I'll bring you back when I'm ready. This is this week's mix, and into that, before I feed the worms, I will add in some used coffee grounds. So I'm going to chop everything up now in the food processor and I'll bring you back when I'm done. Okay, this comes to 1.25 pounds. I did have some mango skin and the pit from a mango and some skin from an avocado that I added in, plus the coffee grounds. So let's see how the worms do in the coming week. And I'm curious to see how much of the mango skin. I know there's a lot of flesh there, but there's the whole skin. I left that whole just to see what a difference that would make, if we'll be able to see it when we look next week. I wanted to put the food in a little bit different spot this week, so I dug out right next to where we've been putting the food. Let me try and get you in a better angle. I'm trying to get down to just about where the paper is because I want to be sure there's enough medium for them to be happy in there. So I think that's good. I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Sorry for the angle. Just dump that in there. And we'll get what's in the bowl. And hopefully they'll do as good a job as last week. This was a little bit different of a mix of things. I did put that mango in there last, but there's a lot of brassica in this bunch. I don't know whether that'll make much difference or whether they like fruit more, but we'll cover that up. There's those. We'll pull these. So hopefully, look at how they grew. Isn't that cool? Just grew right in the paper. So we'll have that covered up. Take the brown paper back over. I'm not adding any moisture to the mix. Haven't had a problem, knock wood, with any bugs. So that's the update for February 13th on the worm bin. And as you can see, we're having a beautiful day today, and almost all of the snow is gone, but not all of it, and there's still an ice crust, so I can't do anything in the yard. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, ask a question, and have a great day. Happy gardening.